Hello beautiful people, it's Sherry Moulton back with another video. I'm going to bring it down to a tad. Every time I see you in my screen, and then when I hit record, the screen shrinks. Anyways, I am going to do a Dutch pour today. I have flooded my canvas with my acrylic flow white, which I've got in there, and I'll show you the colors I'm going to use today. So I'm going to use the DecoArt Bright Metallic Deep Sapphire. I'm going to use the Pebeo Iridescent Yellow, or Green Yellow. Sorry, I was saying that backwards. I am going to use the DecoArt Phthalo Turquoise Light with the Artist Loft Iridescent Medium in it. I am also going to use the Liquitex Deep Violet with the iridescent medium in it, and I'm going to use the DecoArt Glamour dust. This one is Sapphire Blue. With that being said, here we go. I don't know which way to do it. We're going to play around. We're going to do blue, green, blue, purple, glam dust top. Okay, I'm going to do this one first. This is such a pretty paint. That's beautiful color. Anything that shines, I'm happy with. Let me get a piece of paper towel because I'm not putting my mouth on these stupid lids. End up with different colors. Different color lipstick, and I don't usually wear lipstick. I love all these. The Pebeo iridescents are beautiful. I'm gonna have to go purchase more of this. Our local Tri-Art is an amazing company. They also do, I don't know if you've seen my other video where it's semi-form of a resin. It's called liquid glass. This is the company where I get that stuff from. All right, my deep violet. Oh, I got a lot of that blue down there. Let's see if we can, we got a chunk. Let me, hopefully I can, there we go. I'm gonna do a second little. And finish her off with some glam dust. There we go, my friends. All right. So I'm going to try and go this way, this way, this way, this way. Wish me luck. There. This one turned out pretty. I wonder. The white looks so nice. I was leery with the white. I got a hair. There we go. What in the H? That's funny. I got a piece of... All right, let me grab my trusty little tool. The colors are so pretty, but I'm gonna turn you around here. That's why I like using this rack, because you can manipulate a little better. Tempted to blow a little bit white on there. It's pretty. I like the bright colors. There, that's a little. I don't know. I like the darkness. Anyways, we're going to do a little bit of torch here. I love right here. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. Amazing. Well, I'm gonna let that sit. I don't want to do any more. I used to complain about the white, but now I kind of like this spot because the white blew over on that spot over there. Anyways, well, I hope everybody has a wonderful Thursday. I was been doing some planting. Just gonna shake off all my little edges here. I planted a bunch of seeds the other day, so today I've got to finish planting a bunch more seeds. So that's what's on my agenda for today. Anyways, hope everybody enjoys the painting. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the bell so you get notification the next time I have a video. So hope everyone is staying safe and have a wonderful Thursday. Bye.